कल मेरा HSBC में फर्स्ट डे था, डे 1, एंड आई एम अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी नाउ आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माय इंटर्नशिप हियर. सो एज अ फुल टाइम एम्प्लॉय मुझे वेलकम किट मिला है. सो टुडे वी आर अनबॉक्सिंग इट. Hey, hi everyone, happy new day, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this complete box that I got as a welcome kit from HSBC. So let's do it. The first thing that I can see is simple. This is the charger. Okay, actually first thing I should show is this laptop. I got ThinkPad, and this is where I'm gonna work 9 to 5. Yeah, so I'll put it here carefully. The second thing that I got is this LAN connector, because Lenovo का laptop में LAN connect करने के लिए I need it. The third thing is these are some documents that I should know about, like about HSBC and everything. Now this is hand free that I got. Like, see कैसा है ये? Okay, these are wires, these are earbuds, and this is the back which is having the hands free. Okay, so it is looking something like this. Can you see it? Yeah. So I have to wear it while doing Zoom calling, while attending the virtual meetings and all. Okay, so this was it. This is my card. Of course, as they say it कि IT employees के लिए ये कार्ड जो है मंगलसूत्र की तरह होता है. So I'm gonna wear it every day. Now we will unbox this box. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Actually, it's very heavy. Okay. So we have this bag. देखते हैं अंदर से कैसा है ये. Okay, quality wise it is looking really good. मुझे एक बैग चाहिए बेटा. So now I got one. They have this HSBC logo here, and you can write your name and address also. What next? Okay. First I'll take everything out, then we'll see. So this is bag, and now we'll see all the goodies one by one. Yeah. So I think this is for laptop. This is laptop bag. Then this is a mug, coffee mug, क्योंकि काम करने के बीच में कॉफ़ी ज़रूरी है. कॉफ़ी मग काफ़ी अच्छा है. इसमें भी HSBC लिखा हुआ है, एंड अंदर से भी इट इज़ लाइक नाइस. मेटल का है. होपफुली it will keep my coffee hot. Okay, so I got this book also, Write Your Own Story. Let's see how much I write my own story. So this is the book. Actually this is a notepad, and then this is a creative folding storage bracket. This is a laptop stand. You require it when you have a long working hours, क्योंकि neck pain हो जाता है काफ़ी long working hours के बीच में. So it adjusts your laptop height and weight. Then we have this kit. इस kit के अंदर क्या है? Oh, nice. It has all the stationery stuff, I think, जो भी हमें required होगा काम के बीच में, even काम के बाद भी अगर कोई ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं. This is a good key ring. I don't have any vehicle, but, and they are giving a stapler, fevistick, and all the other things they have. They have these cards also, which talks about HSBC and its growth. And the last thing is this. I think it is a water bottle. This is a water bottle. Can you see it? Yeah. ये तो आज से यूज़ हो जाएगी. So these are the things I got. This is welcome to HSBC Global Service Center India, and it shows that opening up a world of opportunity. So thank you HSBC. These are the good things I would say as a welcome kit for a new employee. And if you are also planning something like coming to IT field, you will definitely get a welcome kit. And we'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.